Typical HSC time payment question for 2-unit mathematics in Australia. The loan on a car is $20,000. The loan is to be repaid in monthly instalments. The interest is 6% per annum reducible monthly. The amount owing after n months is A, and M is the monthly repayment. The interest rate increase per month is R equals 1.005. That's itself 100% plus 6% divided by 12 to get it into months. P is the principal amount borrowed, and Sn is the sum of the geometric progression of the cumulative repayments. You have studied this formula earlier in maths. The loan is repaid over 8 years. Find the monthly repayment. Now first we're going to have a look at the sum of that geometric progression. We'll substitute in the values. A equals 1, R equals 1.005, and N equals 8 times 12, 96 terms for the total repayment. Substitute into the formula and we get our answer here. Next, we're going to put it into the formula to find the monthly repayment. The amount is equal to the principal times the rate to the power n minus the monthly repayment times that geometric progression, the sum of the geometric progression. After 96 repayments, the car loan will be repaid, so it will equal 0. So substitute in here. We've got our $20,000 for the principal, our interest rate with 96 terms minus M that we're looking for. Here's the sum of our geometric progression here and equals 0. So substituting in and calculating, we finally get M is equal to approximately $262.83 per month for 8 years. That's the monthly repayment. Let's look at the next problem. Find the balance owing after 4 years. So that's 4 times 12, so N is equal to 48 months. M is still the same. Substituting into this formula here, we change the N to 48, and of course the sum of the geometric progression won't be the same as it was before because we now have 48 terms and not 96. And that will get us the answer here as $11,191.25 will be repaid. Okay, so A is your amount repaid over the 4 years. Now, the last and probably the hardest of the questions. After 4 years, the loan is extended to purchase a new car, so the amount now owing is $40,000. The monthly repayments remain the same. How long will it take to repay the $40,000? So we substitute in again, except this time the principal will change to $40,000. The repayments remain the same, but what we don't know is N. So we multiply all of this out and then we group all the 1.005 terms to the left-hand side so that we can group and then divide down so that we can get 1.005 to the power n is equal to this. Now to solve this, we need to use logs. So taking logs of both sides, the log of 1.005 to the power n is equal to the log of this. N comes down to the front using your laws of logs. You can divide that down here and then divide by 1.005 and you will get n is equal to 286.93 repayments. So that's 287 repayments. That's 24 years. Why does it take so long? Because the repayment of $262 is not enough to bring the interest down by much each year. So if you actually wanted to pay off your $40,000, you'd probably be better off paying a lot more than that standard monthly repayment. Thank you.